all summer long. I'm going fishing. Invite your friends and your kids. We about to kick it. Living the has life. That's right, we living. Put your hater backers on.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back into the channel. I'm trying to make another video today. We got some different baits we're gonna try out here on the river. Sweet corn, got some shrimp, my favorite skipjack, and then this is a concoction I made off of a catfish and carp video I watched. If it works out, I will link the description in the bio. So let's get these baits in the water, see what we can catch. Let's go. We're doing just a regular old Carolina today. I got 3-ounce sinkers, sinker slide, got my bead, swivel, 30-pound mono, and my Gamakatsu circle hook. That's what I normally like to use, or you know, whichever circle hook is on sale. Normally we're doing floats, peg floats, rattles, all that stuff, but hasn't been working lately, so we're just gonna go keep it simple, stupid, right? That's the motto. This one, same thing. 3-ounce sinker slide to my bead, swivel, 30-pound mono. This was just a bait hook, a J hook, with a whole bunch of corn on there. See if I can't catch me one of those beautiful carps. Not the silver ones, those ones aren't beautiful, but all the other ones are. Grass carp, common carp, buffalo carp. I like those ones. Oh yeah, look at that cat. Bunch of fresh bait out there, man. Skipjack over here on the left. Some shrimp in the middle. Over here on the right, we got corn. So hopefully we can get somebody's attention. Let go. Oh yeah, we're on. Oh yeah, we got him. Corn, baby. It does work, apparently. I don't feel like no giant. Definitely not a giant. But it's a fish. Is that a catfish? Did I catch a catfish on corn? I did. Shut the front door. Come here, you little sexy thing. Hey, look at you. Damn catfish, take the corn. We'll take it though. Well, I'm just over here trying to move the camera around to get a better angle on the pole for some takedowns. This pole over here almost went in the water. Oh. Garfish. Got him that time. Feels like a little catfish. Shaking his head. Little, oh no, it's a little gar. That is a little catfish. How did you eat that big old piece of skipjack? Look at this guy. He ate a piece of skipjack half his size. He's cold.
I'm going fishing, invite your friends and your kids. We about to kick it, living the hands life. That's right, we living. Put your hater backers on. Don't see no limits. All summer long. I'm going fishing, invite your friends and your kids. We about to kick it, living the hands life. That's right, we living. Put your hater backers on. Don't see no
catfish. That's skipjack, baby. Never leave home without it. I don't think he's a monster, but he'll be the biggest of the day. Head shaking. There he is. Coming to Papa. It's definitely not the one that I missed, but we'll take him. Nice little eater size. Nice little eater size. Hey, how you doing today? Look at that. Look at that. You can see how much he was chewing on the skipjack. Just nibbling, then finally decided to take it. Hey, you're a pretty thing. Freezing cold, but third fish of the day. Let's go. Oh, he almost ran away with that one. That's a good one. That's a good channel can. Baby, come on. That's a good fish. Oh, it feels good. 10 pounds at least. Yet to see him, he is yet to see me. Oh yeah, blue cat. Fat guy. Hell yeah, that's a blue. Nice blue cat. Blue cat, blue cat. Go fishing. Come to Papa. Don't get all tangled up. Get all tangled up. Oh, he's cold. Don't slime me.
All summer long, I'm going fishing. Invite your friends and your kids. We about to kick it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Release this bad boy to live another day. There you go. Let's go.
Sharing, hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, dropping comments below. I appreciate you guys. I know you guys been wanting to hear me drop some music, but I had to wait till it was the right time, and it's the right time. So if you like what you like, let me know, and I'll make some more.